Welcome to today's video, where we'll explore one of the most common challenges faced by web developers, converting HTML content to PDF format in a React application. If you're building a web app that involves generating reports, invoices, or any other type of document, chances are you've encountered this problem before. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into the world of HTML to PDF conversion and provide a step-by-step guide on how to achieve it in your React application. Throughout this video, we'll cover the key concepts, techniques, and best practices involved in converting HTML content to PDF format. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear understanding of the process and be able to implement it seamlessly in your own project. So, let's get started. The first thing we need to understand is why converting HTML to PDF can be such a challenge. The main reason lies in the fact that HTML is designed for web browsers, whereas PDFs are meant for printing or saving documents offline. These two formats have different layout engines, rendering mechanisms, and compatibility requirements. To overcome this hurdle, we'll employ a few strategies. First, we'll use a library that can accurately render our React components as HTML strings. Then, we'll leverage another library to convert these HTML strings into PDF format. This approach allows us to take advantage of the flexibility and power of React while still achieving our goal of generating PDF documents. Now, let's talk about the libraries involved in this process. We have a few options available, but for this tutorial, we'll focus on using React DOM server to render our components as HTML strings and JSPDF to convert these strings into PDF format. Both libraries are widely used, well-maintained, and offer excellent documentation. Here's how the process works first. We create a React component that contains the content we want to export as a PDF document. Then, using React DOM server, we render this component as an HTML string. This string is then passed to JSPDF, which converts it into a PDF document. Finally, we can save or download this PDF document as needed. To illustrate this process, let's consider an example. Suppose we have a React component that displays a list of items, and we want to export this list as a PDF document. We would first render the component using React DOM server, which would give us an HTML string representing the component's content. Then we'd pass the string to JSPDF, which would convert it into a PDF document. The resulting PDF would contain the same layout and styling as our original React component. Before moving on let's summarize the key points discussed in this video. Converting HTML content to PDF format is a common challenge faced by web developers. We can achieve this conversion using libraries like React DOM server and JSPDF. The process involves rendering React components as HTML strings and then converting these strings into PDF format. That's it for today's video on converting HTML content to PDF format in a React application. If you have any questions or need further clarification, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and consider subscribing to our channel for more tutorials and tech-related content. As a final note, we encourage you to experiment with different libraries and techniques to find the best approach for your specific use case. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to try new things and push the boundaries of what's possible in web development.